And now, we are about to present the act you've all been waiting to see. One of the most dangerous acts in the entertainment world today. Motorcycle Madness inside the 14-foot steel cage known as the legendary Globe of Death. Please welcome, from Mayaca City, Florida, the Fearless Flores. First, inside the steel cage, she is the youngest female Globe of Death rider today. Just 17 years old. Make some noise for our Lady Daredevil, Sindel! You can find Sindel and follow her on Twitter and Facebook at Fearless Flores. Keep up to speed with what's going on in her Daredevil of a life. That's right, you too can be one of her fearless followers. All right! Now that's just the warm-up run. Would you like to see some more? She can't hear you in there, do you? Watch as Sindel demonstrates a combination of motorcycle madness and girl power. Give her a big round of applause as she exits the globe. Our superstar, soon to be world famous, 17-year-old Sindel. Next, to enter the globe, this young man is only 12 years old.
Wow.
Representing the 7th grade. Getting a little overexcited there. How about a big round of applause for our miniature motorcycle maniac, the one and only Valorian. And now, they take it one step further. The daring Sindel enters the danger zone and stands in the center as her little brother races around her, narrowly missing her body by inches and reaching out to give her a high five. Get your cameras ready and watch closely. to give you more. But first, we'd like to take this time to tell you that we are performing at our own risk. Insurance companies do not insure us because they consider this extremely dangerous. That is why we are offering to you these 8x10 color souvenir photos of the Globe of Death for only $2. Now the money from the picture sales will be saved in the event of an accident. If you would like to support us by purchasing one of these pictures, we'll be out to the front of the show area at the end of our performance, and we'll be happy to offer them to you, sign them, shake hands, or answer any questions about any of the acts you've seen here today. We'd also like for you to keep in mind, after the performance, you will have the opportunity to take home one of these limited edition souvenir glow-in-the-dark Fearless Flores wristbands. That's right, this souvenir wristband, the official Fearless Flores Extreme Team wristband, printed right on it. Fear is for others. That's right, you can show everyone how fear is for others, how you are living fearless right here at the fair, right alongside our extreme team, the Fearless Flores. You can get your souvenir photographs, your souvenir wristbands after the performance. We would also like for you to keep in mind, directly following this performance, you will have the opportunity of a lifetime. That's right, you can step inside and stand in the center of the Globe of Death and have your instant photograph taken with our motorcycle daredevil. An opportunity of a lifetime. This is the only time and the only place you are allowed access inside the legendary Globe of Death. Right here at your fair, you and your entire family standing on the inside. An instant photograph. An opportunity of a lifetime after the performance. Watch now. Double the danger, double the thrill. 2 motorcycles, 2 people inside that tiny 14-foot steel cage. They are the youngest brother and sister stunt team today. For those of you that are wondering, you are correct. Sindel and Valorian are the same motorcycle daredevils that were featured on America's Got Talent. They're here tonight performing for you. Make some noise. They are the 3rd generation Fearless Flores. Family. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, right now is your chance to get the 8x10 color souvenir photo of the Globe of Death for only $2. This is also your chance right now if you'd like one of the glow-in-the-dark Fearless Flores wristbands. Wristbands are available right now. Wristbands are only $3. Also, for anyone that would like to access the interior of the globe, don't be shy. Get your camera.